Hello. How are you today, people? Well, I'm doing fine. I just want to sing a little song, get bored. Being by yourself. If you can sing, you better go and sing something. You mess around and go crazy somewhere. When I think of the goodness of Jesus and all that He done for me, I can't help but sing something. Might be going through a little something, but it ain't enough to make me stop serving God. It's not enough. I don't care what the other person's doing, who right next to me, behind me, in front of me, but I'm going to serve the Lord. And if that means singing a song, then I'm just going to have to sing a song. Because it's been so good to me. When it's been that good to you, it's like you can't wait to get to church to tell it. You got to tell it now. Alright, I'm going to sing this, and I'm going to try to shut up for the night. What can wash away my sins? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. What can make me whole again? Nothing but the blood of Jesus. Oh, precious is that flow that washes white as snow. No other found I know, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, no other name under the heaven can save us but Jesus, Jesus, no other name I know. Jesus, Jesus, no other name under heaven can save us but Jesus, Jesus, no other name I know. I'm sorry, but I got something to say, you know what I mean? I can sing, that's all well and good. I love to give God praise, but there's a message that I'm trying to get out, but I don't know what that message is. But you know what? I'll tell you this secret. I want to be delivered. I want to be set free from all this stuff, you know what I'm saying? It got me just, I don't know, holding back or something. I'm just tired of all this stuff happening, thing after thing, day after day, Let me ask you something. How come one person got to see another person change for their change to come? How come they can't see that they need they self to change for their change to come? If this person change, I'm going to change. No, forget the other person. Change within yourself. Because it's not fair to the other person who's trying to change for you to depend on them to make your change, that's not fair. It's like you walking side by side with somebody. Both of y'all doing the same thing, which is the wrong thing. Okay? What kind of benefit is there? When one person wants to change and the other person wants to change if the other person changes. It's like, one person is saying within themselves, the change begins in me. Why you gotta see somebody else be blessed for you to believe that God sends blessings? Come on. Try them for yourself. Like, is that so hard? Every time something bad happens, you always, not you, I'm just saying, person in general, every time something bad happens, they want to get mad at God and say, Lord, why you can't get me out of this? I know you see me. You want me to believe in you, but I'm going through this. I'm going through that. That's cursing God. You got to be careful. And it's like, I'm a living witness. I got mad at God a few times in my life. That's probably why I'm going through some of this stuff right now. You know why? Because it's only a test. God wants to see if I'm going to get mad at him again. I know that's what he's doing. But remember Job? The devil said, take your hand off of him so I can mess with him. So he can stop serving you and serve me. God said, Job ain't going to serve you. He going to serve me. Whether my hand on him or not, because I've been so good to him and he knows it. Ain't going to be nobody else like Job. That's what God said. Ain't nobody in here like Job. Job walking upright. I ain't mean to say it ain't going to be nobody else like Job. I'm just saying, like, back in those days, God told him, there's none like Job in all the earth. And God took his hand off of him. So the devil can mess with him. But guess what? God was still in Job's life. And Job recognized it. And he didn't curse God. He blessed God. So what am I trying to say? Don't get mad because you ain't trying to make the change. You want God to do everything. Yeah. Snap your fingers and you changed. No, this is a daily walk. But you got to start somewhere. You got to. I don't know, maybe I have something else to say later on, but I'm pretty sure I said something that would touch somebody's heart. I hope I did. I pray I did. Because I feel like there's just somebody feeling the same way I'm feeling. Going through some of this same stuff. Got a job, but ain't no gas in the car. You go to church every Sunday, but your water turned off. You with somebody, but you ain't married. It's like, I'm putting my business out there, so what? You know what I mean? But I'm doing it for a reason. So one day, I can look at these videos and come back with, oh, now I'm married, Now my water is on. I'm doing this so it can be a testimony next time. But just in case it don't be a next time, I want somebody in here to know that Jesus is one prayer away. God is real. You might got time now. Well, if you close your eyes, what if you don't have that time?